Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how businesses create stunning logos, eye-catching advertisements, social media posts, product packaging, and professional marketing materials? The answer is graphic design. Graphic design is the art and skill of combining text, images, colors, and visual elements to communicate ideas effectively. It is one of the most valuable creative skills in today's digital world because every business needs attractive visual content to connect with customers. One of the biggest benefits of graphic design is brand recognition. A professionally designed logo, business card, brochure, or social media graphic helps a business stand out from its competitors and creates a lasting impression on customers. Another important benefit is effective communication. A well-designed poster, infographic, or advertisement can explain complex ideas quickly and attract more attention than plain text alone. Graphic design also plays a major role in marketing. Businesses use professionally designed visuals to promote products, increase sales, build trust, and strengthen their brand identity across websites, social media platforms, and print materials. Another major advantage is versatility. Graphic designers work in advertising agencies, media companies, printing firms, technology companies, educational institutions, publishing houses, and marketing organizations. They also have the flexibility to work as freelancers or build their own creative agencies. As businesses continue expanding their online presence, the demand for skilled graphic designers continues to grow. Every organization needs high-quality visual content to compete in today's digital marketplace. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical graphic design training that equips learners with hands-on experience using industry-standard design tools and creative techniques. You'll learn logo design, branding, typography, color layout design, image editing, print design, and digital content creation through real-world projects that prepare you for professional work. Our mission is not only to teach graphic design, but also to help you become self-reliant. The practical skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment with companies, work remotely for clients around the world, build a successful freelance career, establish your own creative agency, or use your design skills to grow your own business. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. Creativity is one of the most valuable assets in the digital economy, and graphic design gives you the power to transform ideas into visuals that inspire, inform, and influence people. It's a skill that will remain in demand for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future through creativity and technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach graphic design. We empower people with practical skills that build careers, create successful businesses, generate sustainable income, and turn creativity into opportunity.